So welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a compression test on the S120 or any 100 series John Deere lawn tractor. You're supposed to run the motor a little bit so it gets warm, but this one here I ran it for about 2-3 minutes. I'm going to take the spark plug out. So I'm going to unplug this cable here from the carburetor. Bought this on Amazon, real good reviews on it. Comes with all kinds of different accessories. There's a size spark plug. I put a little piece of tape around here. It says rubber O-ring on the other side, so it makes a good seal. Just gonna put this in here, and we'll put it on here. I'm gonna turn it over. This is 86. I already did the other side. I got the same. It's pretty low for a motor. Don't forget to put the cable back on the carburetor here. So I'm going to check the valve on it. Now the piston's all the way up here and the rocker arms here are slightly loose. Now you know you're at top dead center. So the intake is 3 to 5 thousandths of an inch, or right in the middle, 0.1 of a millimeter. The exhaust is supposed to be 5 to 7 thou, or 0.15 of a millimeter. And it fits. This takes a 13 millimeter wrench on this one. I'm gonna crack this open a little bit. My T30 Torx wrench here, back off here, put this in here, tighten her up till I feel a drag on the feeler gauge here. Right there, it's good. I'm just gonna snug it up here a little tiny bit, double check it. It was too tight, so I'm gonna back it off. Tighten up again. Put my feeler gauge back in here, and just a slight drag, that's perfect. And I'm going to tighten her up really good. I'll hold my set screw here so it don't turn. Let's check this again. Yeah, just a slight drag. I got a 5 thou right, and it's really tight. So no, I like it. That's perfect right there. So the exhaust here's 5 to 7 thou. So I got an 8 thou here, and look, it slides right in there. It's too loose too, so I'm gonna back this off. Tighten that up. Just a bit snug right there. Tighten that up. Scrape this off here. A little light coat on both sides. Alright, snug that up. I'm gonna let that sit there for about at least 4 hours before I start it up. Put the spark plug back in there and you're ready to go. If you like this video, press thumbs up below, subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.